Hello, I'm Yasita's mother Nishanti. My son Yasita has been at Little VIPs for 3 years, and I'm very happy about the way he has progressed academically and socially. I think Yasita is very fortunate to have spent his formative years here with a group of kind, caring aunties who have helped him to mold himself into a lovable child. And I also want to add that I really appreciate the effort put in by Auntie Zenita and her team in teaching our children good cultural, social and religious values, which I think is a very valuable contribution to their upbringing. Thank you, Auntie Zenita and the team. I hope you continue to keep up the good work.
It was 2 years back that we admitted Tejan to Little VIPs. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the directors here at Little VIPs, Mrs. Senita De Silva and Auntie Menusha and Auntie Ashika and all other teachers here at Little VIPs for laying a strong foundation for Tejan in his education. Thank you, and we are really grateful for it.
Hello, I am Dr. Himanta Atukorala. I am the father of Amanya. What made Little VIPs such an unique place were the human beings that were involved in teaching them. All the aunties at Little VIPs are always smiling, are very jovial, and they deliver unconditional love to all their students. I really appreciate that. I am eternally grateful to Auntie Zenita, Auntie Menusha, Amanya's first teacher, Auntie Ashika, Amanya's second mother, Auntie Tushari, Auntie Naja, and all the aunties for being a teacher, a friend, and most of the time for being a second parent to her. Thank you very much.
I'm Nufa's mother. Nufa has grown with Little VIPs for the past 3 years. Little VIPs is the best place where a solid foundation could be given to our child. After we observed a drastic change in Nufa after her enrollment at Little VIPs, Mandasuri. I must say Little VIPs has exceeded our expectations in every aspect, not just limited to learning. I am wordless to thank Auntie Zenita, Auntie Manusha, Auntie Melissa and all the other aunties who for the great efforts put into Nufa to bring out the best citizen in her. Thank you very much. I'm so thankful and grateful to you.
We have seen all these things from VIP Montessori. We have seen all these systems, methods, which they are practicing in the VIP Montessori. And it is well reflected by my own observation on the significant development and improvement in my own son, Kashyap. All VIP teachers are like the candles which consume themselves to brighten the lives of others, which consume themselves to brighten the lives of our children. Thank you.
Our relationship with Little VIP Montessori goes back about 8 years when we initially wanted to enroll our first eldest child, and from there onwards my second child as well as now the third one. It has been a great experience, and I must say the attention to detail, the teachers as well as the principal pays goes very far. I must say that's where Little VIP and our experience goes here.
Okay, my name is Damien and this is my son Aiden. I'm his dad. I remember about 3 years or a little bit more than 3 years ago, we brought him to Little VIPs, and the way he came in, a small boy who couldn't even balance properly, and what a great job the teachers at Little VIP has done. And now I see him coming out of Little VIPs and going to the big school, as he says, and everybody at Little VIP has done a great job for him to become the boy he has become right now.